There are places in the universe where light has never arrived, not because it hasn't had time, but because there is nothing left to send it. Imagine a world untethered, a planet once bound to a star, now drifting alone through interstellar space. A rogue planet, ejected long ago by gravitational chaos. Perhaps a close encounter with a passing star, or the slow instability of its own planetary system. This is not rare. Astrophysicists estimate there may be billions of these worlds in our galaxy alone, outnumbering the stars themselves. And now, you are standing on one. There is no sunrise here, no horizon glowing with dawn. Above you, no blue sky, no familiar constellations. Only darkness, complete and absolute. Your eyes adjust slowly, and in time, faint points begin to emerge. Distant stars scattered across the void. Colder, dimmer, more distant than anything seen from Earth. Without a nearby star to outshine them, the universe reveals itself in its rawest form. But the ground beneath you is frozen. Surface temperatures on rogue planets can fall below -200 degrees Celsius, cold enough to freeze gases solid. The atmosphere, if it still exists, has long since collapsed or crystallized onto the surface. What remains is silence. No wind, no weather, no sound. Yet deep below your feet, something may still be alive. Residual heat trapped within the planet's core, slow radioactive decay, or the lingering warmth from its formation. These processes can sustain subsurface oceans, hidden beneath kilometers of ice. Liquid water in eternal darkness. A world without a sun, but not entirely without warmth. And as you stand here, drifting through the silent galaxy, you begin to understand this is not emptiness. It is isolation on a cosmic scale. You remain standing on the surface of a world that no longer belongs anywhere. There is no orbit here, no predictable path around a star. This planet moves freely, guided only by the gravitational tides of the galaxy itself. A slow, silent drift through interstellar space. Its journey began with violence. In the early life of planetary systems, orbits are unstable. Young planets pull at one another. Massive gas giants shift. Stars pass too close, and sometimes one world is cast out. Not destroyed, just forgotten. As it travels, the cold deepens. Without a nearby star, there is no incoming radiation to warm the surface. Only the faint background glow of the universe itself. About 2.7 degrees above absolute zero, the cosmic microwave background. The afterglow of the Big Bang. This is the only heat the sky provides. And yet, beneath you, the planet still remembers warmth. When planets form, they trap energy. Heat from violent collisions, compression of matter, radioactive elements slowly decaying over billions of years. All of this lingers. On Earth, this heat drives volcanoes, tectonic plates, a restless, living surface. But here, it is sealed away, locked beneath a crust of ice that may stretch for tens, even hundreds of kilometers. Below that frozen shell, there could be an ocean, a vast, dark ocean. Liquid water kept from freezing not by sunlight, but by pressure and internal heat. This is not speculation alone. Moons like Europa and Enceladus show clear evidence of subsurface oceans, heated not by the sun, but by internal and gravitational energy. A rogue planet, larger, more massive, could sustain such an ocean for billions of years. An ocean completely cut off from the stars. No light, no seasons, no sky. And yet, possibly, not lifeless. On Earth, life thrives in darkness, around deep-sea hydrothermal vents, where sunlight never reaches, where organisms feed on chemical energy, a process known as chemosynthesis. If similar conditions exist below this ice, then somewhere, far beneath your feet, there may be ecosystems alive in the dark. You stand above it all, on a frozen shell, drifting endlessly, unaware that below there could be an entire hidden world, breathing slowly in silence. Time behaves differently here, not because physics has changed, but because there is nothing to measure it against. On Earth, time is marked by cycles: sunrise, sunset, seasons shifting, the steady rhythm of a rotating world. But here, there is no day, no night, only continuity. Your planet still rotates, but without a star, that motion becomes invisible. No shadows stretch, no light moves across the surface. Rotation continues, unseen. A single rotation might take hours or days, but standing here, it feels like nothing at all. This is one of the quiet truths of the universe. Time does not need light to exist, but without change, it becomes almost meaningless. Above you, the stars remain fixed, for now. But even they are not still. The galaxy itself is in motion, a vast spiral rotating over hundreds of millions of years. As your rogue planet drifts, its position slowly shifts relative to distant stars, a motion so gradual it would take thousands of years to notice. You are moving at tens, perhaps hundreds of kilometers per second, orbiting the center of the Milky Way without even realizing it. This is the nature of cosmic motion: immense speeds, felt as perfect stillness. And then there is gravity. Even here, in isolation, you are not free from it. The planet beneath you still holds you close, its mass bending space-time, just as every object in the universe does. Gravity does not disappear in the dark. It remains, constant, patient, a quiet force shaping everything. Over millions of years, your drifting world may pass near other stars, not close enough to be captured, but enough to feel their pull. A subtle deflection, a change in trajectory, a reminder that even in the vast emptiness, nothing is truly alone. The distances are so immense that encounters like this are rare, separated by light years, by time spans longer than human history. So you continue drifting through a galaxy that is full and still feels empty. And now, you begin to understand what it truly means to exist here, not as an observer, but as part of this drifting world. There is no rescue coming, no sunrise waiting beyond the horizon, because horizons require light. This planet will continue its journey for billions of years, long after civilizations rise and fall, long after stars are born and die. It will remain a silent traveler in the vast ocean of the galaxy. And yet, this is not an unnatural place. Rogue planets are not anomalies. They are a natural outcome of how planetary systems evolve. Every gravitational interaction, every close encounter carries the possibility of exile. Some worlds are destroyed, but others are simply set free. Free from orbit, free from the dominance of a star, but also free from warmth, from light, from the rhythms that define life as we know it. A different kind of existence, not hostile, just indifferent. And still, somewhere beneath you, the hidden ocean remains, unseen, untouched by starlight, but possibly alive. Life that does not depend on the sky, life that has never known a sunrise, life that exists because the universe allows it. This is the quiet truth of reality. Life does not require perfection. It only requires possibility. Above you, the stars continue to burn, distant, unreachable, yet their light still travels, crossing the darkness over thousands, millions of years, and some of it reaches you, a faint reminder that even here, in the deepest isolation, you are still part of the universe, drifting endlessly at peace in the dark.